The next tab on the UBuilder page is the parts list, where all the parts needed to build your design are compiled. You can always return to editing your design by clicking on Back or by hitting the Design tab at the top. The parts list organizes all the pieces needed for your design, the quantities needed, the unit and total price of each, and below, the total list price of your project. You can download and print this parts list with the link in the upper right of the page. Click Continue to access the Engineering tab. Here, you can review documented output reports about engineering and layout details, permitting, and product support information, all in one place. The bill of materials is a summary of information from your parts list. The engineering report shows all inputs, geometrical dimensions, and load summaries of each table in your design. Layout gives you a top-down view of your design, along with information about each table. You also have access to construction drawings and manuals. These documents can be downloaded for print in PDF format, and they can be very useful references for assembly and installation on site.